Good afternoon, Andrew Marquis, the MarquisTeam.com, CrossCountry Mortgage. Hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving and some time with their family, enjoyed the football and basketball, except for the Patriots and Celtics losses yesterday. Yuck. But anyway, reaching out, I actually have quite a bit to talk about today, this Monday, but starting off with interest rates. They do seem to be declining a little bit, so that's great news. Conforming loans. 1 point, 30-year fixed is at 6.375, 20-year 5.99, 15-year 5.625. Jumbo with a point, 30-year fixed 6.25, 10-year arm 5.75, 7-year arm 5.5. Like I mentioned at the onset here, I have quite a bit to talk about today, but just don't want to miss anything. Let's start off with conforming loan limits are announced for 2025. What does that mean? These are loans that are not jumbos. They're conforming loan limits, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. They now go up to $806,500 universally across the U.S. And then we have higher limits in our high-cost counties around Boston. So what does that really mean? Buyers can buy up to a loan amount of $806,500 with as little as 3% down. So very low down payment, pretty high loan amount, really good rates, easy process, close quickly. Good news, more to work with. Buy downs. I've been seeing more and more buy downs. Buy downs are where we buy down the interest rate for 1, 2, or 3 years temporarily. It's a significant reduction in the rate and the monthly payment for the buyer. It's subsidized through a seller credit. If you're a buyer looking at an age listing, you're a listing agent with an age listing, it's a good option to offer out there to get the rate and the payment way down. So consider buy downs, temporary buy downs. Buyer's agent compensation. We're seeing them come in here and there where there's a buyer's agent agreement, let's say for 2.5%, and the seller's only paying 2%. And we're seeing slight shortfalls there. We are working through those, and in most cases, financing that amount for the buyer's agent, helping out. So if you run into that and you're a little bit short on your buyer's agent agreement versus what you've agreed with your client for and what the seller is willing to pay, let us know. Many times we can work through that with you and ensure that you receive full compensation. Buy first pre-approval. So a lot of our pre-approvals are coming in contingent on selling a house, although occasionally you can get your offer accepted with a sales contingency on it. We have great options to buy without that contingency. Bridge loans, home equity lines of credit. We have a buy first non-QM program where buyers can buy without having to have their debt to income ratio hit with the payment on both houses. So that's a great program. And then new construction renovation loans. We offer new construction through our VA, FHA, and conforming loan products. That's new construction ground up. We have renovation financing within all those options as well. So if you're looking to buy a property, it needs some fixing up, it needs an addition, it needs some updating, we're willing to finance that in for you as well. And then last but not least, sometimes over the winter, rates tend to drop a little bit. That could happen this year, we shall see. But if it does, it could be a good time at reevaluating your mortgage, maybe refinancing, maybe paying off some debt, maybe shortening the term of your loan. So feel free to keep my team and I in your mind. And if you'd like a quote on something, we're happy to assist with that anytime. And that's about it for today. So if you have any questions, let us know. Happy holidays to everyone. And we will be around to assist. So enjoy the week ahead. TheMarquisTeam.com. Thanks a lot.